Ito na yata. Antok na yata eh. Uulitin ko. Ready na ba kayo? Sino itong last performer na to? Hulaan nyo! Alright! Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Kim Chu!
It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. Say it's too late to make it, maybe it's too late to try. And it's my time that you wasted, I'm wasting my night. You turn out, now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the sun. When we fall in love, but even the sunset's in paradise. I'm at a place for trying to solve all of the things I'm spending on you. Where are the stories already told? Where are the plans we made for two? It's happy in you like this. All the fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be there. You turn your back on tomorrow, but you forgot yesterday. I didn't remember tomorrow, but you just stayed there away. You didn't expect me to get that time when we fall in love, but even the sunset in paradise. I'm at a place for trying to solve all the things I spent on you. Where are the stars? Well, the plans we made for two. It's happy ever after, didn't it? I will still be holding you like this. All the fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be there. Now I'm at a place for magandang gabi, Bagyo! Nag-enjoy ba kayong lahat? Ayan, gusto ko lang may tanong. Sino ang nanonood gabi-gabi? Kapatid anak! Eh, ito, may isa pa akong tanong. Sino yung mga may crush dito? Ayan, may isa akong kanta para sa mga may crush at mga nagmamahal ngayong gabi. Sino ang ilang? Parang konti lang ha. Yan, parang nasa yung lahat. Kain yan o. Ipapaloto. Ipapaloto. Ako'y dukha. Sa TV lang naman kasi may nangyayari at kahit mahal kita, wala akong magagawa. Tanggap ko to aking sinta, pangarap na kita. Hello! Nakalikod! Ang hirap maging babae, ang kaya lalaki, kahit may grupo ka, di mamayari. Maybe akala ko, nagkakasay motibo, culture sa bago, kaya may mangyayari at kahit mahal kita, wala akong magagawa. Tanggap ko to aking sinta, pangarap lang kita. Tanggap ko to aking sinta, pangarap lang kita. 虽然我很爱你 若每天的告诉你，我听着你有我心爱，但是是我的爱，kahit mahal kita, wala akong magagawa. Tanggap ko to aking sinta, pangarap lang kita, pangarap lang kita, pangarap lang. Thank you! Ayan, grabe na pagod ako ng baba ako. Pero, ayan, nakakatuwa kasi ang dami-daming tao ngayong gabi. Gusto niyo ba ng isa pang kanta? Yung may kasama naman ako dito. Sino gusto niyo kasama ko? Sino? Liam! Ayan, naghiwalay na si Celine at si Liam. Napunta na. Saan napunta si Liam? Michael! Naku, sana mag-cruise ulit ang landas nila. Pero ngayong gabi, mag-cruise ulit ang landas. Kung gugustuhin nyo. Gusto niyo ba? Ayan, itong next song para po sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng Inakapatid Anak. It's amazing how you can stick right to my heart. Without saying a word, you can light up the dark. Try to the small mistake let me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you're catching me whenever I fall. Don't be when you say nothing now. All day long I can hear people talking out loud. But when you look at me, you cannot decide. There could never be mine. What seems best between your heart and mine. It's one place that we like to leave. To never saying you'll never leave me. Don't you feel whenever I fall. When you say nothing else.
Ako, may sinasabi. Hindi ko marinig yan ba yan?
Kasi nila yata ako.
Oo, kung papayagan naman ni Kim, di, okay, di ba? Okay naman. Okay na kay Kim.
Basta, manonood kayo lagi ng
Nako, hindi, walang ganyan. Walang ganyan.
Basta lagi po kayo manonood ng Inakapatid Anak.
Okay. Sarboy muna natin sila. Ikaw ah.
Eh, huwag ka naman magtampo. Para mayo ka.
Sige. Yes. Kaya tawagin ng tata ng ating mga pamilya. Laura Sobroso. Let's all welcome again Sam Milby, Anthony Quito, Paolo Avelino, with Ma'am Alvarez and John B.
Nakakatamis naman ng halik ngayon.
Wow! Okay ba guys? Sana nag-enjoy kayo lahat!
Thank you! Salamat po! Sa March 11, gabi po ng pagbabago ng pag-alam. Yes, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng support na binibigay nyo sa teleserye sa ABS-CBN.
Ay, siyempre maraming po salamat sa ating mga sponsors. Baguio Country Club, UTGO,
Bureau of Fire Protection, On Call 911.
Salamat din police,